In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on American Airlines Group stock. My dear friends, this is an follow-up video. Just 1.5 months ago, I had shared you a detailed analysis on this stock. We had identified, if you remember, just a 1 month before, I had posted a video regarding this stock where we have identified a positive chart pattern breakout, and after that the stock had given a massive bull run on the upside, and it's hit, and our target got hit successfully. And after hitting the target, the stock had given a negative pattern. So today's the main purpose to make the video is to inform you that the upside move is completed and now the stock is ready for a downside move. If you'll remember, just a 1 month before, we have identified this positive breakout. We have identified this pattern, which we call it as an ascending triangular chart pattern. This got breakout, and this area we have captured. This is not the small if you see on the chart, you were able to see this is a very small area, but this is not a small area. This was an 20% momentum. More than 20% we have captured the moment when this neckline got triggered, if you remember. And for your education purpose, the backdated video which I had posted about this breakout, I had shared you link on the description. You can watch the entire video how we had identified the big upside move before this rally got triggered. So if anybody want, you can watch that backdated video which I had already posted on my YouTube channel just a month ago, and the link is there in the description. You can click on the link and you can watch how we had identified this big upside move. And this is not the one stock. There are n number of videos are there on my YouTube channel where we have identified the big upside move, where we have captured the big upside move. This is one of the video. There are several videos, but I don't have, whenever I get the time, or if anybody want, for the education purpose, you can post it in my comments that you want a video where we have captured a massive upside move. I will share you the link. And now the main purpose to make the video on this stock is to inform you that this stock is ready for a downside move. Now there will be a short term downside correction, so it will be an opportunity to short sell. And I hope everybody had booked the profit near to this target. This was a first target, and exactly from that target we got a negative breakdown over here. So that will going to pull the stock on the downside. So there will be a short term downside momentum, and it will be an opportunity to short sell this stock. Earlier we got an opportunity to buy this stock and we had captured an upside move, and now there is an opportunity to short sell this stock. And my dear friends, in the YouTube, no one will give you this kind of detailed stock specific knowledge. Before, this stock was from the bottom, we had identified this stock well in advance when it will go for an upside, and now again this stock is ready for a downside, and again I am informing you all well in advance. So no one will give you this kind of analysis free of cost, only other than my YouTube channel. So till until now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe to it, because this kind of valuable learnings you will get from my YouTube channel. So now, my dear friends, to forecast a negative pattern, I have to remove this positive pattern, because this momentum is already done. We had captured a massive upside move, and now we will focus on the negative structure, and this will be for in short term. The major long term momentum of this stock will be on the buy side. This fall will be in short term. When this fall will get clear on the downside, again the upside momentum will trigger. So my dear friends, if you'll see, this was in bottom where the stock had given a massive upside run in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back higher highs. First higher rise trigger here, the second higher rise over here, and the third here. But as soon as this upper sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this is an area where we got into major negative signal. This is an area where the game started to change. The very first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, and the second negative signal is higher highs shifted to lower lows. Whenever the higher highs get shifted to lower lows, we mark that area as a confirmation that stock is entering into a correction and we have to avoid a buying. And if you're on the short term position and you are in a profit side, you have to first protect your profit. And now the most important, that is, and there is a diversion. If we place an RSI indicators, you will be able to see there is a diversion over here. See, my dear friends, if you'll see, there is a higher peaks over here, there is a higher high peaks, or there is a similar same kind of flat. This is a flat, or there is a higher, it's tilting on the higher side, but the same thing is missing out on the RSI. This is a minor, this is a minor notification, but it's play a very big role on the momentum. So don't take this as in lightly, my dear friends. Maybe you will be able to see this is a very small thing, but this small thing create a big impact on the stock momentum. And finally, my dear friends, you'll be able to see there is a negative chart structure. So far we have identified three major negative signal. The first one is upper parallel channel got triggered on the downside. The second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows, and the third one is negative diversion. And now the fourth one is negative chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a rising wedge pattern breakdown, and along with that there is a double top pattern breakdown too. If you'll see, this was a wave 1, this was in wave 2, this is in wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, and here we got a breakdown. And my dear friends, this is a breakdown, and along with that breakdown, if you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a double top pattern breakdown. So double top pattern, it's a bearish pattern, and after double top get created, once it's get break, it becomes a high probability trade for in short sellers. And along with that, there is a negative pattern. There's a rising wedge pattern got trigger on the downside. So these are the two major negative chart pattern got triggered simultaneously at the same single neckline. Both pattern got a similar neckline and it's got broken down. So now there is a high probability that stock will come to retrace the $13.62. This will be the first target, and after that it may come to $12.60. So this will be the two major downside targets. And the stop loss of this trade, once if the stock give close above $16.45, then this will be an area. If the stock succeed to close above this red line, then this will be an area where short seller will come into a panic and they will run to cover their short position, and that will going to create a force buying, and that will lead to short covering rally. So my dear friends, if the stock succeed to close above this red line, then this negative structure become neutral. There will be a no value of this structure stand if it succeed to close above this red line. So my dear friends, as of now the high probability trade is on the downside. It's very rare chance that stock will give a close above this red line. It's very difficult. Bull have to work very hard to close this, but it's a very rare chance. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong resistance. This will act as a strong, so far this was in support, but now after breaking the support, this will act as a strong resistance, because multiple negative factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the upper parallel channel got triggered on the downside. This is an area where we have identified the higher highs shifted to lower lows. This is an area where we have seen the negative diversion between the price action and the RSI, and this is an area where we have identified the negative chart pattern, rising wedge pattern, and along with that there is a double top pattern over here. If you'll see, this double top pattern is also triggered here. So that due with respect to all the negative breakdowns, this area of neckline so far was in support, but now support has turned into an important resistance, and the short seller stop loss will be above this important resistance, so that it won't get triggered so easily. And if it does, then there will be an opportunity for a short cover rally. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my hard working, then support me by following my channel, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos. Thanks. Bye bye.